May option pala na pwede mong i-change. And then, change. Para magiging ikaw ba nagkakaroon ng copyright claim issues? Or di mo alam if may copyright yung video mo? Before tayo mag-start, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell para sa mga bagong updates. So shout out lang muna ako. Hello guys! So welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, we are going to talk about copyright videos. Informative video, especially para sa mga nagkakaroon ng copyright issues. Especially the music. I'm gonna show you how to identify if your video has a copyright sa pamamagitan na ipapakita ko later. And since today, wala tayong gala, nakabehave lang tayo dahil hindi masyadong magandang panahon, umuulan. So, I decided to create this vlog. Itong vlog na to, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang mga proper steps, what to do with your copyright video. Especially sa paggamit ng mga copyright music. And based on my experience, nagkakaroon din ako ng mga copyright issues. Na-copyright ako dahil sa paggamit ko ng music. And sa pag-replace ng music, hindi ka na mag-worry dahil si YouTube mismo, marami siya mga music na pwede mong gamitin at hindi ka pa magkakaroon ng copyright issues. Yung iba, naririnig ko, dinidelete nila yung video. Sayang wag nyong i-delete dahil meron tayong easy steps on how to change your copyright claim para magiging non-copyright. And now, I'm gonna show you the easy steps on how to change your copyright claim video into non-copyright claim video. So, simulan na natin! Okay, so guys, to start with, so I'm using my other channel para ipapakita ko sa inyo ang step-by-step process. So, ina-upload ko ang my copyright na music dito sa channel na to. So, itong mual-bual. Yeah, this is the video kung saan may copyright claim. In the upper right of your channel, click your picture and go to YouTube Studio. And it will route you to this page. Then click Content. And there you'll see the list of your videos. And you'll be able to find a copyright claim under restriction. You can just simply hover to see more details. You can even click the see details. Or you can go this part here, the details. It will route you to the same page. And again, click that see details. It will route you here. Okay, so next, dito sa lower part, this is the title of the song where I got the copyright claim. Dito sa video, this thick bar you see, this is the length of the copyright music that I put in my video. So this part here is not affected by the copyright claim. So to be more specific, the length of the copyright music is 2 minutes and 44 seconds. Okay, so first step, go to select action, trim segment, replace song, and mute song. So first, I'm gonna show you the mute song process. Click mute song, scroll down, slide this button to the right. Magpa-process na siya para i-mute yung part kung saan nagkakaroon ng copyright claim. So what will happen? Yung 2 minutes and 44 seconds ay nakamute lang. Yung may audio lang sa part ng video nito is last part kung saan hindi affected yung video. Then click confirm to proceed. Okay, let's play. So wala tayong maririnig. Okay, so next action would be the trim segment. So scroll down, same process, just slide this button, magpa-process lang siya, and there you go. So what remains is the non-affected audio. And click continue to proceed. So our last step is replace song, and this option is commonly used. And again, click this option. So as you notice, iba yung screen sa replace song option compared to the other two. So here you noticed a red bar. That means that's the copyright content. And so on the upper left, you'll see free music, start, and audio library. So let's first go to audio library. It will route you to this page. And these are the list of music to choose from. And here you can filter according to title, genre, mood, artist, duration, and date added. You can actually listen to the music, so there's a play button at the left side, and if you have several choices, you can simply start the music, and once you're done choosing, you can simply click the start option to view your list of music. So after choosing your music, go to free music. Then click the start option and look for the title and then add. So notice the color of the bar, it turned gray from red. And you see the last part, there's a check mark. That means it's eligible for monetization. And now let's save in order to change the music. Okay, so status check, it's processing. So mag-wait lang tayo, mga few minutes to few hours. I can't really tell, depende talaga. But you can actually check by refreshing.
Eventually.
And tada! No restrictions. Guys, if you have questions regarding this video, you can drop your questions in the comment section and sasagutin ko yan. So if meron kayong mga suggestions para sa next content ko, para sa magpa-shoutout para sa mga sa next vlog ko, you can drop it below the comment. And guys, I hope to see you all again in my next vlog. And thank you guys for watching my video. Bye! Na may option pala na pwede mong i-change. And then, change. So, para magiging pag mag-revenue at pag na-monetize ka na at pag maging and